Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Gagawa natin ng part 3 ang aking panty haul. Okay? Panty haul. So, may nabili ulit ako na panty. I bought from the mall, of course. But this time, gusto ko naman yung bright colors or, ayan, ganito. So, I have two. Kita nyo naman guys. Okay, ito muna siya. Ganito siya yung dati kong una kong part 1, okay? Pero I really like this. Ayan may maarte yung ano niya, garter. Okay. Tsaka I really like this one also kasi nga ang cute. Meron siyang ribbon. O, diba? May pa-ribbon si madam. So, susuot natin to. I will try to fit. This one is a bit bigger. Okay. And wait sa. So, 50 pesos. So, you're less than $1. Yeah, less than $1. 50 pesos only. Diba ang cute niya? Okay. And, of course, also guys, gusto kong ano to? XL. This is the XL guys. Okay, XL. And then, syempre, susuot natin to. Tanawa Nindot siya, no? Pack. Diba? Sige. Ito. And then, same lang to siya nitong orange. Ito naman siya orange, guys. Tanawon natin kung I don't know. This is guys. Wala siyang what is the size? I don't know what is the size of this orange. But I think this is fit. Ito, medium DI. This one is medium. I really like it. Ang ganda ng kulay niya guys, right? Ang ganda ng kulay niya. And then, see, there is good quality also. Good quality siya. I really like it. Like spandex, ganon. So this one is a cute one. I have my new version again. I bought some. Yung iba naman, there's a style and another colors also. So, it will be in my next vlog, okay? So, of course, I will wear this and tell me guys what is the best color for me. Comment down below, give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe, and tell what is the best color for me, okay? I will wear this. This is medium and this one naman is XL. This is XL, but anyway, I like this one. I think this one is cuter than the other one because of this, okay? Good quality also. Good quality siya. Tanawa. So, good quality spandex din siya. So, let's go. Suot natin to. So, guys, ayan naman. Kita nyo. Ayan yung ribbon. I really like this because there is some ribbon. Okay? Oh my gosh. I like it. Ayan. I like it, guys. Maganda din siya dito. Ayan. Maganda din siya. And then, I really like it. Ayan, see? Cute na cute ako dahil sa ribbon. Gusto ko siya. Cute na cute ako dito. Ayan. The ribbon. I like the ribbon. Like, you will open. Ayan. So, maganda siya, guys. Okay? Okay.